Welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. Today I've got an affiliate marketing strategy that could start earning you $100 a day and then more than that. But one thing that is challenging for new affiliates is they have these offers. You might find them on Clickbank, and you go out and you want to try to promote your affiliate link on all kinds of different platforms. But there's a problem. Most platforms have caught up with these sites like Clickbank, which is probably one of the, if not the most popular place to get affiliate products that you can get auto approved for, right? 90% of the products on Clickbank, you're going to automatically be able to get an affiliate link just for having an account. And then people can go and spam the heck out of that link all over the place, right? So all kinds of places, social media in particular, don't like these links. And so if you try to put one of these links on Facebook or any of these social media accounts, it's just going to get like blacklisted, right? They're not going to let you put your link. So in today's strategy, I'm going to be showing you a cool strategy where we can go out and get traffic. We can still promote Clickbank products, or you can go to Digistore24 or any other place that you like to get affiliate products from. But then there's this really cool spin on this, that we can go out and create something really cool and actually have a link that is shareable and that is not going to come off as spammy. And you'll still be providing a good service and good information to people that might be interested in the product that you're selling. So we're going to jump in right now. We're on Clickbank right now, and you're just going to go up and click on the marketplace, right? So you click on marketplace, it takes you to this little screen right here, and you can go by all these different niches, and inside of these big parent niches are going to be a ton of more niches inside of there, right? So what we're going to do is actually, one trick that I like to use is just not pick anything over here and just push the search button and click it one time. It's going to automatically pull up the most popular products on the entire platform out of thousands and thousands, or probably over 10,000 products. What's selling the most? What's the highest ranked, right? And we can even go over here and push the gravity button, but this top product is the highest ranked. It's got the highest gravity, and there isn't even anything that comes close. So right now, XePure is twice as sellable right now, twice as successful, and getting over 1,200 people are successfully selling this product in the last 2 weeks. In comparison with the next closest is 600 gravity behind the Java burn, and it's still a fat burner, right? XePure is a fat burner as well. So you can keep coming through here. You don't have to go with that. You could come through here and choose any of them, but look at all the popular ones right now. It's January. Everyone wants to lose weight, get fit right now. So January is going to be huge for keto diet and different products like fat burners and stuff, right? Smoothie diet, all that kind of good stuff. So we're going to just take this XePure as an example. You can make up to $147 per conversion, and you can go and check out all their affiliate. They have images and email swipes. You can go over there if you want to promote this product and get some good stuff, but you're also going to want to create your own if you want to be a successful affiliate. So what we could do right now is you're going to just click the promote button right now, right? Click this promote button, and then right here you could just say PDF, or if you're going to promote this, you could create several different traffic sources right here. So if you wanted to, for example, if we're going to use Pinterest as an example, then you can just go ahead and create your hop link right there as well. Or you can create different trackable links if you're using ClickMeter or ClickMagick or any of those tools as well. So we'll just leave it blank for now. You're going to click the generate hop link, and then this is where you're going to come and get your link. Just go ahead and click the copy button, right? So we have our link. So what are we going to do with this? Well, this is where it gets really exciting, probably something that you've never seen before, but we're going to go check this out. So you're going to come over to a site. Let me scroll up real quick. So you're going to come over to web2pdfconvert.com. You're going to throw that link in, right? And then you're going to push this wheel right here. And watch what it's going to do. It's going to go out and actually take your link that's going to end up being the website, right? It's going to take you on the landing page of the website of that vendor where it's going to be trying to sell that product. And then now what we can do is we can download the converted file. So I'm going to go ahead and push the download converted file. And this is what it's going to look like, right, on your computer. So we can go ahead and just go and push that and open it up. And then I'm going to come over here and minus this down. But then now look what you're going to see. You're going to see this XePure, and it's going to convert that entire landing page, that entire website, right, into a PDF. And this is 6 pages, and it's going to look really professional, really, really high, just high quality, right? And it's going to educate people. Scientists discover the real root cause of your belly fat, and they can read through this, right? They can read through all this stuff's source cited and everything. And they can just keep coming through here and check this product out, and they don't have to watch a video. The video might be 45 minutes long, but they can come through here, actually read what they're getting, and there's going to be some different areas where they can actually click on this to go and purchase the product. But we need to somehow get our affiliate link in here, right? We have this PDF, but we need to turn these into where we can get our affiliate link to go over to the product, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to close out of this real fast. We're going to go over to a site called seja.com, and at seja.com, we're going to be able to edit this file. So edit a PDF, and it's free to use. So I'm going to go ahead and upload this file real fast. Just grab the file. It automatically comes through here. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to go back, grab your affiliate link. We're going to copy this and watch this little trick. So we're going to come over here and paste this in and push enter. And then here is the actual affiliate link, and it has my ID, my affiliate hop ID, right? But you don't want to use this right here, because you don't want them to click on that and then go right to a page that looks exactly like what they've already seen. So what you're going to want to do is go to the order now button, and let's just say they click on this to go order. So it's going to take them over, and they're going to have the option to order what they want to order. But this long URL is what we really want to use. It has your affiliate ID is inside of there already, right? So it's going to be tracked. You're going to get credit. This is the actual page we want to send them to that includes your affiliate link, but it takes them right to the sales page, or right to the checkout, the order checkout page. So you're going to take that, you're going to come back over inside Seja. We're going to go to links, and then we're going to go over here, and we're going to highlight this right here. If they push the order now button, we want to put that link in right there. Okay. So we're going to paste that in right there. Okay. And they're going to just push enter. Okay. So when we hover over this, you're going to see that link. Okay. So then we're going to scroll through here, and we're going to just look for any place that they have a chance to order. We'll go ahead and just highlight that again, throw that in right there. And then we'll do it one more time right here. Push enter. Okay. We're replacing all these links. Okay. And then when we come down into the next page, I think that this is the one that has all of the other buy now links. So right here, what we'll do is we'll actually just highlight this entire thing right here. Okay. And we'll make this into one link, and it would pretty much work the same way for any kind of product. You're just going to go and replace all of the links that are sellable links, right? So right here, I'm going to go ahead and just highlight this entire thing. If they click anywhere right there, it'll also take them over to the affiliate link. Okay. So we've got it right there. Okay. It looks good. And right here, you're going to see apply changes. We're going to click that button, apply changes. And then now we can choose to download the file. You can see right here, it's downloading our file. We can go open it up, minus this down, and you can go and see it's still all intact. Everything looks good. Now we can go and test this out. If we click on this and we push allow, it's going to open up, and you can see the link is the exact link, and that includes our affiliate link, but then it takes them over to the order page and they're ready to go. So really, really cool, right? So how are we going to share this now? So we've got this really neat PDF that we've replaced the PDF part of this, just making an affiliate landing page into a PDF. That's already brilliant right there, right? Now what we can do, we've changed all the links into affiliate links, but then now how are we going to share this still, right? How are we going to share this? So what we're going to do is you're going to go over, and you can use Dropbox or any other kind of file sharing. In this case, we're going to use Google Drive. So I'm going to come up over here and I'm just going to select Google Drive right there. And you can do all kinds of different stuff in here. And what you're going to do is just come over to your downloads, and we have the new download right here. We're going to drag that over here. Okay, so we have this uploaded to our Google Drive, and then what you're going to do is right click it, right? And then you're going to go to get link, and you want to make sure that this link is not set to restricted, but you want to make sure that it's anyone with the link, copy link. And now you have your link. You can go paste that into a notepad or something like that. So this is, we're going to go test this out. Okay. So I'll go open up an incognito window. And when someone clicks on this link, I'm going to paste it in there. This is what they're going to see, right? Sharing, push enter. And this is what they're going to see. They're going to see the Fat Burner PDF show up just like this. They can actually go download this, and if they download it, all the links will still be active and work, right? So if we come through here, anytime they click on any of those red links, or they click over here, it's going to, watch what's going to happen. It's going to automatically take them over to a clickbank.net order form, and they're going to get right to this page where they're going to be able to go and actually order this. This is a live site. They're able to come in here and order. So that's how it all works. But now all we want to do is, now we're worried about traffic. How are we going to go get traffic? Well, there's a lot of different ways. Obviously, you can share this with any affiliate marketing way. You can go and find how to do traffic. I'll try to remember to leave a card above for one of my videos that I teach you how to get traffic for affiliate marketing. But in this, we're going to go and we'll give 3 examples. One, you can actually use Pinterest. Here's one of my shops. I've got about 10 Pinterest accounts. This is a brand new project I'm working on, and it already is getting almost 4,000 views and 9 followers, all organically, no buying or anything like that. And what you can do is you can actually go in and create a pin. We can go into Canva. I'm not going to drag this out for a 30-minute video, but you can go into Canva and create a pin, come share it on Pinterest, and you are allowed to share a Google Drive link because it's not seen as spammy. And so you're able to share your link, right? So you can put in there, if you have this niche, whatever your niche you're in and whatever product you chose, you can come in here and share a pin, a nice image. And then what you're going to do is put that link in there. So when people look at it, they go click on it, that you're saying, hey, learn about the top fat burning pill of 2022. People click on it, and then they go and they see the PDF, they read the PDF, and then they click on the affiliate link, and then boom, they're ready to go. Okay. So that's one strategy. You can also use Quora. So you could come in and let's just say, best fat burner of 2022. Type that in the box. What is the best fat burner supplement for women in 2022? You could click on this and you could go in here and, come up with a good answer right here. And another way that you can do this too is you could grab this right here, copy that, and come into one of my favorite tools, one of my favorite marketing tools is Jarvis. If you want to check this tool out, click the link below and you can go and pick up a free trial of this. It's super awesome because they actually have, where's it at? They have a Quora answers right here. You can see it's one of my favorites. I've done this several times and it does work to get traffic. So you're going to put that in right there, information to include in the answer. We're just going to leave it and we're going to come in here and we're going to generate AI content. It's going to go out there and actually answer this question for us. And we're going to have several different ones right here, which is the best fat. Well, it's hard to say. Now you're going to come over here. There's our Garcinia Cambogia, but then right here at the very end, you could also put, so we're going to copy this text here. Then at the very end, we're going to say the one that's up and coming and on the rise that everybody's loving. There's thousands of reviews, blah, blah, blah. And you're going to put, maybe mention it. You're going to mention this Exipure right here, and then you're going to leave a link to your Google, a Google link, right, in the Quora answer. Okay, so you're going to use Jarvis to go out there and answer 10 questions a day. This is one traffic source. Do the Pinterest thing and so forth. And then another one is that you can go over here to SlideShare and upload that document. Now, how many documents do you think that you can go out and do this for? If you actually did this for 2 or 3 hours a day, focus on multiple niches, multiple products, you can focus on, it doesn't even have to be all Clickbank, it can be all kinds of stuff. The sky's the limit. You definitely can start getting traffic through affiliate marketing to these links and start making money online. I think that this method could easily get to $100 a day or more, depending on how much time you put into it. So that's it for today's strategy on how to make money online with affiliate marketing. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on my next affiliate marketing make money online tutorial.